See how the wind is pushing against the current? Well, we've been on the water for a little while, but we came out on the river after work. Austin and I, we've already hooked into a bunch of snapper, an 8-pound stingray, biggest stingray I've ever caught. And Austin is just slaying the catfish over here. Big catfish guy. Stay tuned, we'll see what else we get on. Snapper. That's something wrong. Something? What you got, dude?
I don't know.
Catfish?
Probably.
I'm calling your dad.
It's not a catfish.
Oh God. What is this? Damn it, she's on the other side of the anchor. See that move? Right under the anchor line? Dude, this didn't feel like anything. Catfish, gotta be. Ain't no catfish running like that. Yeah. And that was a half a shrimp. That was what was left after that mangrove snapper. Come here. It does kind of feel like a redfish. Staying down. God, it is pulling. Coming at me. I still haven't seen color yet. Oh! Oh my God.
Oh, it's a big ass thing.
Damn, dude.
Damn.
Dude. Let's get him in the net. Let's watch that damn tail. Sorry, dude. God, that thing's heavy.
8 pounds. 8 pound stingray.
It's PB stingray. There you go, bud. Sorry.
That's crazy.
But 8-pound stingray, you know? I do things. No wonder it pulled so hard, but it didn't like...
Dude, it took mine like fast out that way. I didn't think, I mean, I know that was a big dude, but that's crazy. What an adventure. Where else can you get this type of adventure? Right here, Wild and Wonderful, baby.
Yeah.
I chased the shrimp all around the deck and he jumped into the water.
Hello, friend. Are we in a good spot? There's another one with it. Maybe. That's probably close. There we go. Big catfish guy. Oh, somebody's got to take the title. Here, catch this shrimp then. How funny, that's probably one that we either let go or... You see him? He's chilling. Little shrimp legs going. YouTube gold, catching a shrimp by hand. What are you doing, man? You want to come back? We have found the snapper. Guy. Oh, sheep's head. Oh, damn. What do you got something? Head shaking. Jack. Trout. Oh, no kidding, dude.
That's a good sized trout. A real good sized trout.
Yeah.
18. Almost 18. Put in the live well?
Let me look it up real quick. 15 and 19 is the slot. Yeah.
You want
Yeah, sure. All right, keep her trap. No kidding. This thing like brings everything in this little area. Atta boy.
See you next week.
Yeah. And another beautiful day on the water. Not bad for just maybe 2 hours on the water. Caught a bunch of snapper. Didn't keep those because we still had shrimp in the live well at the time. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Visit the merch store, get your own shirt. And as always, go after what you want and never quit.